Welcome back, everyone. Brandon here at Slingmods.com. Today we have the DDM Works billet aluminum gas caps, the Polaris Slingshot. Replacing the factory plastic gas cap is really one of the first mods most owners do to start customizing their Slingshot. It's really a great cost-effective way to immediately set your Slingshot apart from the pack by adding a subtle pop of color to the rear deck lid. These billet aluminum gas caps are available in most OE colors to match your Slingshot's paint color. We've also opted to powder coat these instead of the cheaper anodized alternative, since anodizing changes colors and fades in the sun over time, whereas powder coating maintains its brilliant color for years on end. The only thing you will need to do once you take off your factory gas cap is remove the rubber gasket and just install it on the new cap with the supplied washer and bolt. All right, and that's it, folks. Now you're rocking and rolling with a shiny new gas cap that'll look great for years to come. So if this gas cap seems right for you, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.